In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy tickets from Skyscanner step by step. We'll start by going to the Skyscanner website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main search tool where you can look up flights. For this example, we're buying a flight ticket, so make sure the flight search option is selected. Next, choose your flight type. In this walkthrough, we're using a return trip, which is ideal if you already know both your departure and return dates. After that, enter your departure location in the From field, then type your destination in the To field. Be as accurate as possible when choosing airports, especially if a city has more than one airport. Now select your departure date. Skyscanner will open a calendar view, making it easier to compare available days. Then choose your return date to complete the round trip search. Take a quick moment here to double check that both dates are correct before moving on. After that, add the number of travelers and choose your cabin class. For example, you might select one adult and economy class. This part matters because ticket prices can change depending on passenger count and seating class. Once everything looks good, click on Search. Skyscanner will then display a list of available flight options based on the details you entered. From the results page, select the flight price that works best for your budget and schedule. It's a good idea to look at both the fare and the flight time so you're not choosing based on price alone. When you've found the option you want, click Select. Skyscanner will then show booking providers for that same flight. Choose a provider you prefer, and then click Book Now. This usually redirects you from Skyscanner to the provider's booking page. On the provider's page, review your booking carefully. Make sure the route, dates, passenger count, and total price all match what you expect. If everything is correct, click Continue to Booking. From there, enter the traveler's details exactly as they appear on the valid ID or passport that will be used for travel. This step is very important because even small spelling mistakes can cause issues later. Take your time and review every field before moving forward. Finally, continue to payment. At this stage, you'll complete the purchase directly with the provider. Before submitting payment, check the final summary one last time, so there are no surprises with fees, baggage, or booking details. And that's the full process for buying tickets from Skyscanner. Follow each screen carefully, review all details before confirming, and you'll be able to book your flight smoothly and confidently.